Have you ever rushed through a meal only to feel bloated or uncomfortable afterward? The solution lies in the art of mindful eating. This practice encourages you to slow down and engage fully with your food, leading to remarkable benefits for your digestion and overall experience. Mindful eating emphasizes awareness of your senses and internal cues. Start by selecting a quiet space and eliminating distractions. As you take each bite, focus on the flavors, textures, and aromas, savoring every moment. This approach helps you recognize when you're full, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Additionally, chewing your food thoroughly allows enzymes to break it down more efficiently, promoting easier digestion. Research shows that mindful eating can lead to improved digestion and satisfaction with meals. It can also create a healthier relationship with food, helping you understand your body's needs better. By fostering mindfulness, you can transform eating into a pleasurable ritual rather than a rushed obligation. So the next time you sit down for a meal, take a deep breath and begin your journey toward better digestion and a more enriching eating experience.